What's up, guys? Welcome to the Reassembly, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick. Definitely not easy. Welcome. This is 2010 Mazda 3, and we are replacing alternator. This is a 2-liter engine, and this is how the alternator looks like. $430 plus $60, $61 for a core charge. And just for fun, not for fun, but just to show you guys, old man took the wheel out, so he's removing right now all the bolts for plastic cover. I think it's a splash guard, but whatever. That's a problem with the splash guards. People always hit stuff with it, and then whenever somebody works, there's bolts missing. And then people put whatever they can to keep it up. Like in this case, zip ties. That's out, thank God. So it's not too complicated. No. It's pretty simple.
I need to put down to disconnect battery. See? Just pull it up like this. Take out.
So accessory belt is off.
Yeah. You need to take the battery.
Disconnect the battery.
Anyway, ground them. Open to 10mm.
Okay, give me 1 second.
I see that's open. Now is 12mm.
So 12mm one is out.
Yes, and we need to push that lift to out. See how they connect that.
Both, or is it 2 or 1?
Two, alternator.
There's 1.
Now that's off.
Also 12.
12.
And then there's one more.
We have all. This is 2 around this.
Okay, on this side. Okay, there's one from this side. Okay, I can see it, yeah. And then there's one on the top. That's the one with the little... That's the top one?
Yes. That's the alternator.
Alright,
That's the alternator now.
4 bolts.
That's very easy to replace. We need to clean a little bit.
Oxidized.
Yes, you need to clean on this. I see Delco.
Yep.
Good quality. See, that's too easy to put. Down to longer bolt. Down to longer bolt.
That's a 3rd bolt on the side, and there's still one on the top, and that way took it off and put it back on. Now, put it.
Connect the wires. First plug. Tap. That's it. That's it. Let's put the original. See, that's a. And we put cap back. That's it. That's how we connect.
Belt.
With the belt. That tap. And we put down.
Okay. I have to remove the GoPro and the light.
See? That's it.
Make sure it's all on.
Yes. That's it.
Connect the battery.
We start to check filler up. start to check up if you're right. Need to be 14 volts. Yes, see? 14 volts. That's an hour of it.